Hey y'all, welcome back to Officially Coco. So today I will be showing y'all 2 items that I brought from Nordstrom Rack. One of them I did an online pickup. The other one, it was supposed to get here April the 3rd, but it came yesterday, which is for me. So I wanted to make sure I show y'all this. One of them was a final sale. So it's Sam Edelman. And the price for this was, originally it was, comparable value was $185. And then I got, it was on sale, 51.37% savings, $89.97. And then it was marked down to $67.47, but I got it for $50. So all of this, it goes from this to this to this, and then I got it for $50. So let's get into what I got. This was my online pickup. This is way different from, I don't want to say it's way different, but I was unsure when I got it and it was too late. I couldn't even return it because it was a final sale. So it wasn't no exchange, no nothing. It's pretty much when you buy it, it's yours, baby. So this is it. Patent leather. I think this the part right here was throwing me off because it just looks so generic. It didn't have no onto it. And most of y'all know how I am with my bags. It have to have something to make me gravitate towards it more and want it more. This is a bag I might just be wearing right now. Once it get hot, I don't think I'm going to be sporting this around. I probably will bring it back out in fall. But let's get into what I can fit in this bag. I have my AirPods Pro in this. When them are out, and put it back in because I don't want to forget that. So this is cute. I bought another one too. This was on sale for $2.99. So y'all, if y'all see this in y'all Target, and we're not saying it's good to go to Target, but I did have to stop in there. Unfortunately, I had to go in there, and I have to tell you, it was spooky town in there. But unfortunately, I had to go in there for something that I really needed. And I just happened to see this. So $2.99 wasn't bad. They weren't getting that much money from me. My minimum I normally spend in there, well, the amount I normally spend in there is like crazy, but since all this been going on, they was lucky to get $30. So I got what I needed, and then I saw this. So anywho, moving on along. I got my air tags and my other spare keys that I need. This is my car key that I'm carrying as well. Of course, you got the hand sanitizer. You need that. Touching everything. Then I have my little personal lotion, the travel size one. And then I have, which is on my lip, which is making me look real dry. But this is my Julia Place. Y'all know I love Julia Place. My Nubian. I think this is Nubian Nude. I don't know why I keep forgetting this. I know what it is. And then I got my YSL. I really haven't been wearing this, and it always look like it's coming. It keep reaching to the top, and I don't even use it. But this is my YSL. I think this was a waste of money because I only worn it twice, if that. And then I have my MCM wallet. I love this wallet. I got this as a Christmas gift from my husband. Oh, I need to move my card. So I need to keep this out because I got to sign my back of my card. So this is it. And then we have my Old Faithful. I got my my Blackwood. I mean my Brandon Blackwood. I love this wallet, y'all. I saw one person. I think I told a story about this. That I saw this on, I saw a young lady with this at TJ Maxx when I used to work there. And I was like, girl, where you get that from? And I have to say, you've been keeping up. I love this wallet. You cannot go wrong. I think they still sell it. Just a receipt when we went to get something to eat. But what else? In the back pocket, I just have my Mac mirror. Because you can't use your other mirrors. And then I got a massage yesterday because my back is killing me, y'all. Like up to my neck. He did it good. But yeah, I just did 20 minutes. And they normally do the trick for me. But anywho, this is the back of it. And I think, because I was talking so fast, so I only use this one because it's flat. I didn't use my other one because it's too bulky and it's going to take a lot of room in here. But this, it only have one pocket. And then here go the inside. No back pocket at all. So this is it's a cute bag for right now. But once the weather break, I think after spring, you might want to hang it up because it gets so hot. This probably a melt. Or you know how it'll change patent leather, and I don't want that. So I'll probably bring this back out. And okay, my words are all over the damn place, but y'all excuse me. But I probably bring this back out in fall once the weather cool down. But once it get hot, I would not recommend wearing this bag unless you wanted to get fries. So I want to move along to my other new bag that I got. This is a clutch. And I love clutch. I feel like they're very chic. Very, very chic. This retail price was $165. And then it was, of course, 51.53% savings. And it went down to $79.97. And then I got it for... Okay, I feel like I paid more for this. Maybe I paid... Okay, you know what? I did pay the $79.97. So here's the clutch. Y'all, it don't come with a dust bag, but your girl gonna find one. Y'all, this is super, super, super duper cute. I wish it had a dust bag, but ouch. Of course it don't. I don't like that. I gotta cut that out. So again, it just have, let's get into the bag. The detail of it. This is so chic. I got both of these bags off of the Nordstrom Rack. I want to make sure I tell you that. This is a statement piece. This is cute. You have your nice little sundress on. Can't fit a lot. I'm guessing I can put my 2 wallets in it. My phone, hand sanitizer, my AirPods, and my car key. Yep. And, of course, my lip gloss. And then I could probably put my mirror in the back pocket and it still fit comfortable. Smell good. So this is it. So it's not that bad. Oh, this is sticking out. But that's how much you can fit in there. Nice and organized. Y'all know how I am. I'm an organized girl when it comes to my bags. So this is cute. This is what I wanted. I'm glad I got it. But like I said, it's a real chic bag. You just want to go out and have dinner, which I plan to do that more this year with my husband, because I told him it's very important to have that one-on-one time. I don't care where we're going. It's just good for us to spend time together, because sometimes you just want to vent and get things out and talk about it, and life is too short, so it's good to just go out. Just to see the scenery of other things. Not to see the same thing all the time. But we normally always go to the movies. But, you know, I was like, we just need to do something else a little funner. So, which we did. So, I wanted to make sure I came in. Hold up, y'all. Because I want to put this back the same way that I opened it. Alright, so I wanted to make sure I put it back. But I love how they have the SE on it. And just how this one is too. This is cute. I really, really like this. So yeah, like I said with the other one, you may want to just wear that during the fall and spring. Let me put this right here. I get it. You probably don't want to wear that right now because the material of this. And it look like I got a scratch mark on it already, y'all. Yup, right here. You probably can't see it, but it's a small little... And it probably already was there and I missed it. But yeah, I mean, 50 bucks. I mean, I'm not going to say 50 bucks is not a lot. 50 bucks is 50 bucks. But yeah, I just wanted to make sure I came in and show y'all that if you're interested, I'm not sure if you'll be able to get that little one. But you will be able to get the clutch. So I'll provide all that information down below if you're interested. It also comes in light blue, I think brown and black. And it's another color, yellow. I'm not sure, but I always like to go more so to dark colors because I am that type of person. I get things on my stuff. So just to eliminate that, I just get black. So like I said, I'll put all that information down below. If this is your first time watching Officially Coco, make sure you hit that subscribe button along with the notification. That way you know I upload a video. Also check me out on TikTok. And I also put my TikTok shorts on here as well. So I check y'all on my next one. Live life to the fullest as always. And I see y'all on my next one.